Persian. Nearly 3 times larger and around 7 times heavier, it represents a kind of threat Meowth knows well. For it, this is not only about the shine of metal, it is about dominance. Proud and vindictive, the other Meowths seize the opportunity to strike back. Weakened by Persian's blows, he can no longer fight back. Even after everything that happened, he still managed to save a coin, and he values it. Not for its worth, not for its usefulness, but because, in a life marked by constant loss, even a small glimmer can mean resistance. Even so, beyond the hunger, he carries with him one more shining piece for his collection. After months of surviving on almost nothing, winter arrives. Meowth moves more slowly now. His spirit is no longer the same. Food is becoming scarcer and scarcer. Between empty trash bins and bags already torn open, he finds a special coin. Meowth takes joy in so little that for a brief moment he forgets his own hunger. But the cold quickly reminds him of the situation he is in. Nearly out of strength, Meowth knows he will not be able to make it home that night. Beside his new treasure, Meowth no longer feels fear. He looks at the new coin and holds it close, not knowing whether he will wake up the next day.